Can you eat that?
I don't know.
No, why would you do that? Ew.
Doesn't taste that good.
Gross.
Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great today. For today's video, we're going to unbox something that is going to help out with our Overland rig build. It's going to tie in all our accessories, something I'm actually really excited about. It's called the Spod. So, if you're familiar with it, you know how good of a component it is to tie in everything electrical on your vehicle. So I ordered this Spod through Spod. They had like the best deal. They were on sale for $650 at the time that we purchased it. So I'm pretty excited about this. Okay, so first thing you see in the box is this warning tag. It says, warning, read this before opening and installing the system. Let's talk about hooking it up to your negative battery. If you have like the auto charging system for your vehicle. And then here you have a like instruction pamphlet and stickers. Spod stickers, boom, and a little one. And then you got the instruction booklet here, which we will go further in detail. It just tells you how to set it up and all the options. Next, so you're gonna get a box like this. You have to open. And then you see is the actual touchscreen. Let's see what's inside. So you see, I don't know if you can tell, but it's really not that big. It's for 8 circuits, but it has like a lot of options to use it. So for all your lights and accessories like that. So underneath it comes with an Ethernet cable.
We have a guest.
And you want to present this to them? Is this up to your standards? Alright, and then you have the bracket, the actual mounting bracket. So, pretty cool so far. Alright, so we have system knowledge plus tips and tricks. So, like I said, once we mount it, it's got heat shrink and zip ties and things for wires. As you can see, you get the power cable, ground cable, and then you get the latches here. Should like lift it up. And this is where you would hook up all your accessories. Alright, so you can see they got the ground and whatever switch you're using. So switch 1 through switch 8. There's 8 circuits. Oh, wait.
So we're gonna connect that to our lights and stuff?
Yep, it's gonna be for our lights, our winch, our fridge. We might actually get another bottom box for the, or how you pronounce it, another junction box for the back, which you can also tie in, so it kind of helps out. Just makes things really user friendly, and you know, everything's through this, so makes it all easy. That's all it's on the box. So you pretty much get the touch screen, the cable for that, the mounting for that. You have the actual junction box, the instructions, and that's pretty much it. So, make sure
are we gonna be installing this one, or we're gonna have professional install it?
We'll be installing this.
But it would take us a while before we can install this, right? Because we need to install other stuff first before we install this one.
Yes, so I don't want to install this until I have everything we have everything that we need to put on there. I do want to do a dual battery setup, so we need to get the secondary battery and the battery oscillator.
So can you tell them why exactly we are buying this stuff and why we are doing this?
just because we're trying to build our Overland vehicle to where it can self-sustain. We still got a while for, I mean, we still have a lot of stuff to get. But we'll take it piece by piece.
Slowly.
And then everything hopefully comes together smoothly, and Robbie, our truck, will will be like
ready to go.
100% ready to go for us. So the next video is going to be us doing the NorCal mod, so we can fit the larger tires, which are going to be 35s. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Take care and God bless.